this video, I'm going to show you how to add a card to Apple Wallet. So to go and add your debit or credit card to your Apple Wallet, the first thing we need to do is just open up the Apple Wallet on your iPhone. Now, if you can't find this on your home screen, then you can just use the search box and type in wallet, and then just open up the application from here. Now, once you're on your Apple Wallet, click on the plus icon in the top right hand side, and there'll be a few different options of the type of cards that you can go and add to your wallet. Now, if you have any banking applications already downloaded on your phone, then you could also use these to go and add cards to your wallet. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on debit or credit card, click on continue, and what you can do is hold your iPhone near your physical card and it should go and pull that information through to the Apple Wallet. Now, if your card doesn't have a chip inside of the card, then we can select enter card details manually, and then just go through the steps on the screen here to go and add this to our wallet. Now, if for some reason you're not able to add your card to your Apple Wallet, then what you'll need to do is try changing the language and region settings on your iPhone. So you can do that by coming back over to the settings application on your phone, scroll down and select general, scroll down again and click on language and region, select region, and you can try changing your region to another location. So for example, I already have mine set to the UK, but I could try changing this to the United States, and sometimes that can solve the issue where you're unable to add cards to your wallet. And once your card has been added, you can double click the lock button on the right hand side of your iPhone, and that's a shortcut key to bring up your Apple Wallet, and from here we can go and select the card that you want to use, and you can effectively pay for things by holding your iPhone close to a card reader. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.